I was angry because it was raining heavily and I'm not someone who likes rain. Anyway, let's start the makeup. First, I apply the primer and massage it in a little so that it sets properly. And yes, please watch this video without skipping. It will give me a lot of support. And if you want, you can also increase the speed of the video. Now here I am mixing CC cream and foundation because I don't want a heavy base but I also want a skin light finish. I will first apply it with my finger and spread it slowly on the areas where there is pigmentation. Now I'm going to take a small brush and blend it nicely over the areas where I have applied foundation. If there are any marks from the makeup brush, I will blend them with a beauty blender so that the base looks smooth. Now I'm setting my base with compact powder. Now for the eye makeup, I am going to take a dark brown eyeshadow and apply it all over the eyelids like this. Today I'm doing my makeup without eyeliner. That's why I'm using black eyeshadow. I made a mistake here because I was supposed to apply kajal first, but I applied black eyeshadow first. Then I applied black eyeshadow like this. Now I'll apply light brown eyeshadow to the under eye. Now I will apply kajal so that my eyes look more intense.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No.
Now I'm contouring, not too much, just lightly because I am not doing heavy makeup.
When I look in your
Now I'm applying blush. You can apply as much as you want.
I get lost when I look in your eyes. Do you even eyes? Do you even leave now? Make your escape.
Now I'm going to apply highlighter.
So close, just get away. No surprise, but never.
Also on brow bone.
I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless,
and also on nose.
When I look in your eyes, I just want to be next to you. I get lost when I look in your eyes.
For lips, I will first outline my lips with brown lip liner. Then I will blend it inward a little. And then I will apply a light brown lipstick.
I get lost when I look in your
I quickly change into my clothes, but I am wearing a kurti and Indian attire is incomplete without earrings. Here I was confused as to which earrings to wear, so finally I decided this one. So finally I have done my makeup, and if there is any mistake in the video, then please ignore it and tell me in the comments how my makeup is looking. So finally, if you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel so that you get notifications when I upload new videos in future. Till then, take care and bye bye.